Hi, my name is Daniel, and my talk will be about econometric forecasting in a business context. I will take you through the entire process from A to Z. So that means building your proposal so you can get the time from your manager to work on your forecast. All the technical aspects will be covered, from building forecasts in the statistical environment to building it in Excel. And the third is, I'm going to show you the deck I prepared or I use to communicate my recommendations to management, to the director. You're only going to get half an hour to communicate those, so you need to get it right the first time. Concise and precise. That's the value you're going to get. I'll see you at the workshop.